Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. I'm Priscilla, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys me doing my Japanese hair straightening treatment for the first time ever. In this first video clip, it's December, so it's 3 or 4 months ago. Right now it's March. This is the first time I've ever relaxed my hair in my entire life. I shampooed my hair and I sectioned it off, detangled it with shampoo only, and then put the treatment in, and this is how my hair looks when I rinse it out. It's really it's a lot. I was just in complete shock because my hair's never looked like this wet. And this is me after I finished straightening my hair for the first time in my life. I've never straightened my hair before, so it definitely was kind of a fail, but I thought I did all right. My hair is not really cut in any shape. It's really uneven. It's really choppy because I just used to chop my hair. However, I'm just going to show you guys really quickly what my hair used to look like before all of this. The hair texture type 4B, 4C. Okay, so now I'm just contemplating whether or not I should completely expose myself to YouTube. And I ended up deciding I'm going to do it. So I ain't going to do it, girl. I'm just thinking about it. Wow, I know it looks bad. I know it looks bad, but it used to look really cute. You can still style it if you wet it and, you know, make sure you stretch the roots of it, but I did not. Oh my goodness. So that's what you're seeing here, and I'm going to be showing you guys my new growth in the front as well as in the back. Oh my gosh, it looks so horrible. So this is my hair after coming out of the shower, and as you guys can see, it can be managed pretty well, but I just finished shampooing my hair and I'm showing you guys what the roots look like. Now I'm just going to detangle and I'm going to apply the cream, the Japanese creamy crack. And this is my hair after coming out of the shower. It looks so much better in my opinion than that hot mess. I just wanted y'all to see what it looks like. So now that I'm done washing my hair, I'm just gonna blow dry it. I have a lot of breakage at my nape. The wigs ended up breaking out the front of my hairline and the nape of my neck with those clips. Now I'm just going to go ahead and straighten my hair. I'm just focusing on the roots of my hair only. This is the part I'm retouching, not the full strand of my hair. Here's how my hair looks straightened, and I'm just going to go ahead on my edges again. Now I'm just going to apply the neutralizer, and this time I'm going to shampoo it and condition my hair. I also did a deep conditioner treatment on my hair. This is my hair after it's washed, and I'm just going to simply blow dry it without any combs or brushes and then straighten it. Now I'm giving myself a quick trim. And then I'm going to straighten my hair and let you guys see the end results. Ta-da! Now, today is day 2, and I'm just showing you guys that I'm going to be straightening all the fluffy parts that I got when I was sleeping. And so this is the end of the video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks.
Sniff it. Don't ever do that. That's bad. That's how you get brain cancer.